Hey, this is Mark Mathis with e-commerce site owners, and if you want to get access to the full course, ClickFunnels for e-commerce, I've just put the final touches on it. You can see it behind me. It's ready to go for you. All you need to do is just click on the link below this video, and you'll get access immediately. Okay? Hope to see you on the inside of the private Facebook group, and if I can help you, just let me know. Thanks. Hey, welcome back, and in this video we're going to be talking about domains, so custom domains. So by default, any of the funnels that you create in ClickFunnels will just have an ugly URL that looks something like this. So it will be some sort of random characters and then .clickfunnels.com, and so it doesn't look very professional. It doesn't look very trustable. And so what you'll want to do is always add custom domains to each funnel that you do to build that credibility and build that professionalism. And so it's very easy to do. All you do is just go into account settings and you'll go to domains, and there's a couple of things that you'll want to do. So first of all, add new domain, and you can actually register a new domain through ClickFunnels, okay? And that's the easiest way to do it. However, one big problem with it is that ClickFunnels manages your domain, and so if you need to make changes, you need to make subdirectories or subdomains, you need to change DNS settings, all those types of things. It can be more difficult. And if you ever go another route other than ClickFunnels and choose another service, they hold your domains there. And so I like to have all my domains externally in my GoDaddy account. Now, people use different registrars. I've used GoDaddy for over 20 years and been very happy with them. And in the bonuses that you'll get, I have a coupon that will get your domain for only 99 cents for the first year. So definitely go through my link if you need one, and that will allow you to get a 99-cent domain. So I like to have everything separate and external so I can manage it myself. Okay, so in this case, if you want to just go through ClickFunnels and allow them to find a domain for you, let's just say let's just search for dog, and let's see what comes back. So you can see dog hats. It will show you all the different options that it has. Now, one important thing that I will note is that the pricing here is higher than you're going to get on a GoDaddy. For example, this one right here is $20. The benefit that they're giving is everything is integrated. It's very easy to do. It's for beginners, but I don't recommend doing it this way. And one other tip that I'll give you is that you want to choose a .com 100% of the time. Now, the only other one that I would ever consider is a .net. However, I think I would always choose a .com when given the opportunity, and I would go for a less desirable domain name that was a .com versus a better keyword targeted domain that was a .net or .org or whatever it might be. Everyone knows .coms. They trust .coms. They're professional. They look good, marketing materials. So I would always choose a .com domain. Now, one thing that you can do, there's a lot of domain name generators out there. Domain name, boy, is a really good one. And it allows you to put in some keywords. So let's say dog hats, and it will come up with different variations. So this is a pop-up, and basically it creates variations of the words that you have up here, and shows you those. And then, so let's say my dog hats. Let's see what it says. When we go there, this one takes you to Bluehost for some reason. I'm not sure why that is, but basically these are ideas, and you can do. So I would say mydoghats.com. Let's just try that one. I like that one. If we go back here and ClickFunnels, my dog hats, and that one is unavailable, and so we know that there. But let's go back And you can use that to brainstorm on different ideas for your domain name. It doesn't have to be complicated. The biggest thing is to have a .com. I would not have domain with dashes in it. I would just have it have words. I wouldn't make it too long, and I would have my main keyword phrase in that domain if I could. So add new domain, use an existing domain, and then you'll just add whatever your domain is there that you bought on GoDaddy, and it will walk you through the process right here. Basically, all you have to do is add it here, and then they give you some settings that you need to update. You'll go into GoDaddy, and this is one that we'll just do as a sample. You go in here to manage DNS, and then you will edit this CNAME record right here. At the time of this recording, you'll just make that target.clickfunnels.com, and I say this to half an hour and then save. And then down here, you will edit that to be forwarded to your domain name. So if it's mydoghats.com, you put that right here. It'd be a permanent 301 forward only, and that's it. So when you save that, it will propagate, as they call it, across the internet, and will notify ClickFunnels that that's out there and you've changed the forwarding, and then it will all work basically. And then you just need to come back in ClickFunnels, and you need to enable SSL, which secures site security level. It's basically making a secure domain so that when people type in their credit card information, their name, their email address, all that stuff, it's protected, okay? And so ClickFunnels allows you to do that. They provide you with a SSL certificate, and after you add the domain and it gets added to ClickFunnels, you'll go in there and just click on edit and add SSL. It's free, and then that will be taken care of. So again, I use GoDaddy. You can use a link below this video, and then in the bonuses, I'll give you a 99-cent coupon to be able to add your domain. But I like it because it allows me to have all my domains in one place in my account, separate from ClickFunnels. Whether or not I stay with ClickFunnels forever, I always know that I have control of those domains and can make them go wherever I need them to, okay? So again, that's your domains. Very important to always get custom domain on your funnels so you can look professional and trustworthy, okay? So hopefully that's helpful, and if you have any questions, just ask me in the private Facebook group. I'm always here to help you, and I'll see you in the next video.